Hi guys, now we are continuing about our most important topic about the online online earning. Now start an e-commerce business with Woocommerce. Have an idea for your own products? Why not start your own online store? WordPress makes it easy to create a shop or even add a shop to your existing blog using the free Woocommerce plugin. Starting an online store can be a lot of work since you need to create or buy the products and then ship them out yourself. But selling physical products can be a rewarding experience, and sometimes a physical product is exactly what your audience wants. To get started, see our tutorial how to start an online store with WooCommerce. You can also use Shopify or BigCommerce as WooCommerce alternative and create an online t-shirt store with WordPress. Creating your own t-shirt shop is easy with WordPress. Almost everyone wears t-shirts, so opening up a t-shirt shop is a great way to monetize any kind of blog. Designing t-shirts allows you to be creative and offer something unique to your audience. It's easy because there are services out there that allow you to upload your own design and they print. Ship it for you, you get a profit share. You can easily create your own t-shirt shop on your WordPress site using WP Spread plugin by Spreadshirt. If you want a faster solution, then you can use a Shopify store which connects with dozens of t-shirt printing companies. Create a WooCommerce dropshipping store. Dropshipping is another way you can create an e-commerce store on your WordPress website without having to handle inventory or ship items yourself. With dropshipping, you create the store, manage the website, and customer services. But a dropshipping service will take your order and ship them out to your customers. They are an invisible third party that your customers don't even know about. You can use the WooCommerce plugin to create a dropshipping store. There's also a WooCommerce dropshipping add-on plugin that allows you to automate the process. Now another way is to create an Amazon affiliate WordPress shop. One downside of dropshipping is that you have to find a good supply, which can be a challenge, and sometimes you have to place a large order up front. This can make it difficult to get started without investing a lot of money. If you want an easier way to set up an e-commerce site without having to ship products yourself, then you may want to try an Amazon affiliate shop. As with many of the items on this list, this works best if you specialize in a niche. If you offer everything, it's impossible to compare with a big shop like Amazon, but in a small niche, you can differentiate yourself and really stand out. Thank you.